Okay, class, this is section 2.3, which I had to make a couple corrections. If you look here on objective 3 where we had solve linear equations containing decimals, I'm looking at problem B here. Now, what ended up happening, the problem was done correctly, but as far as the final answer, because we started off with decimals, our final answer actually should end up being a decimal. So instead of being 11 over 2, the final answer should be 5.5. So please make that correction in your course pack. Okay, the second correction for section 2.3 is example 5. I had made a mistake in one of the problems by not adding in the, it should have been 186 instead of 86. But let's go through the whole problem here. We have P is equal to 15 plus 5D all over 11. Now, our P is 201 is equal to 15 plus 5D over 11. Now, we need to subtract 15 on both sides. And when we subtract 15 on both sides, 201 minus 15 will give us 186. And it equals, these 15s will simplify out, and we will have 5D over 11. Because you know 15 minus 15 is 0. Now, we multiply each side by the reciprocal of 5 11ths, which would be 11 fifths. Now, this is what happens on the right side. The 11s simplify out, and the 5s simplify out. And we're left with D. Now we would take 11 over 5 times 186 over 1. And we know our denominator would be 5, and our numerator would be 2046. So now we take 2046 and we divide that by 5, and we would end up with 409.2 feet is equal to D. So your final answer should be Francisco Ferreras depth is 409.2 feet. And that is your final answer.